In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money by sharing and posting videos on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is DS, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can use other people's videos to make money using Facebook. Now you've probably seen this method before applied on YouTube. There's a lot of people who are using this method to make money with YouTube, but very few people are using this method to not only make money with Facebook, but actually grow their Facebook pages into hundreds of thousands of followers. I'm actually going to show you how you can start doing this week if you wanted to do that. So it's actually very simple to do. It's not complicated, but you do have to have the right pieces in place in order to actually make money with it. So I'm going to break it down for you in a few simple steps, and hopefully you gain a lot of value from this video. Now, before we jump into the video, if you want to learn how I actually build a full-time income online with affiliate marketing, go ahead and download my free affiliate marketing guide below. It'll show you how you can make an extra $100, $200 per day with affiliate marketing. All right, so how do you make money with your Facebook videos? Well, recently Facebook actually launched a video monetization program where you're able to place ads on your videos just like YouTube, and you make money from the ads that play on your videos. Not a lot of people know this, but you can easily qualify for that if you have a Facebook page with over 10,000 followers. If you want to learn exactly how you can qualify to get into that program, you can go ahead and watch this video. It'll explain everything, and it even shows you how you can be qualified really quickly and the sort of things that you need in order to get access to the program. I actually believe it's easier to get qualified for monetization on Facebook than it is on YouTube. It's easier to go viral on Facebook. It's easier to push your videos to go viral on Facebook using paid advertising compared to YouTube, where you simply have to just keep uploading videos and hoping that you get more views and subscribers. With Facebook, you can pay for the followers and you can pay for the views. So getting to that 10,000 followers, it's actually easier than you think. So what is the first thing that you need in order to make money with your Facebook videos? Well, the first thing that you need is a Facebook page. You got to select a niche or a topic. I'm actually going to give you some examples in this video where I'm going to show you just how you can create a page on any topic that you want, and you can just push videos on those pages and grow those pages to thousands of followers and make money from them. So you got to have a Facebook page created. It's fairly simple to do. Anyone can do it. You can just go to Facebook and create a Facebook page on any topic that you want, and then you need to grow that Facebook page to 10,000 followers. 10,000 people, that's a lot of people. Not on Facebook, actually. If you want to get a lot of people to follow your page, choose a popular topic, choose something that people might engage with. You can talk about working out, you can talk about pets, you can talk about cars, you can talk about pretty much anything that you know or enjoy. Perhaps you have a hobby that you like to talk about. You can create a Facebook page about that, and that's going to help you attract people who like the same things that you do. So it's going to be easier for you to create content on a topic that you really know about, instead of creating content on something that you really don't know much information about. Once you have your Facebook page, step one is to get it to 10,000 followers. Like I said, you can use Facebook ads for this. It might cost you, depending on what topic you're into and the type of followers that you want to get. You can target multiple countries at the same time, like the US, the UK, Canada, and other countries, to help you get as many followers as you can, and that might cost you $100, $150 to get to 10,000 followers. I actually have a free video series on Facebook ads that shows you how you can target specific people on Facebook so that you can get more followers. Getting to that 10,000 follower mark, it's the first requirement to monetize your videos. Now, if you're using Facebook ads, you might be able to do it in a week. If you're just doing for free, for example, then videos are going to help you grow that Facebook page in the beginning. So this definitely applies. Even if you're not able to monetize your videos right away, it will help you grow your Facebook page organically over time. And even though you might not be able to do it in a week with paid advertising, you might be able to do it in a month, 2 months, 3 months, depending on how often you actually post. The next step that you need is you got to have at least 30,000 minutes of video watch time on your videos on your Facebook page. So that means you gotta use videos to grow your Facebook page from the beginning, and this is the best way and the fastest way to grow any Facebook page. The more videos you post, the more likely you are to get shares and likes and comments and more people to follow your page. That's how you get qualified for video monetization. And again, go ahead and watch that video. It'll explain the exact process and how you can actually get approved for video monetization with Facebook. Once you get approved, all you have to do is just upload videos that are at least 3 minutes long, and you can place ads on those videos, and you're gonna make money every time someone watches an ad on your Facebook video. The more followers you have, the more people that watch the videos, the more money you're likely to make. Now you might be asking yourself, how do I find the videos? What type of videos should I post, and how do I find those videos? That's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. So for that, I'm going to need to jump into my computer and show you exactly how it works. So I'm going to give you an example of how you can use videos to basically just grow a page on any topic that you want, and at the same time being able to make money from that page. So this page that you're looking at right now, I Adore My Pet. Quick disclaimer, this is not my page. I'm not affiliated with this page in any way. So this is just an example that I found online, that I found on Facebook, and I wanted to show you just how great what you're doing is. Pretty much the same thing you're going to be doing. So let's say you create a Facebook page about pets, cats, snakes, or any other animal topic or hobby that you want to talk about. You want to create, you want to upload videos on that specific topic, and the best way to grow a Facebook page is using videos. Most likely you might be asking yourself, how do I get the videos? Exactly what do I do to get videos, to be able to post a video at least once per day? You can see videos here with 7,000 likes and 4,000 shares, 200,000 views. So this video, if it was actually monetized, it could be making some really nice income just because it continues to get shares and likes and comments. So they actually have one video that has 37 million views posted about 6 months ago. So as you can see, it has 693,000 shares. And the cool thing is, so this is the power of a viral Facebook, because unlike YouTube, most likely you gotta wait for YouTube to suggest your videos or get your video found on the search results. With Facebook, the more shares that you get on a daily basis, the more views you're gonna get. And this video has 37 million views, and it will continue to get views every single month. Most likely it'll get a couple 100,000 views or 1 million views per month. And if it was monetized, if it's monetized, and which probably is, which I'm suspecting it actually is because the video is over 3 minutes long, then that means the owner could easily make a few $1,000s with this video. So let's talk about how you find the actual videos that you can use for monetization. The biggest source of videos is actually YouTube. You can go on YouTube, and exactly, if I had that page that talk about dogs and I Adore My Pet, I would go and just type dogs falling asleep, just to give you an example. And so once you find the videos, you're gonna go to the filter section and you're gonna search for created comments. These are videos that you can basically use and reuse, not only for personal use, for also commercial purposes. And you have that specific filter on YouTube that allows you to just download the video and you can use it anywhere or anyhow you want. You might not be able to find the best videos, but you have to go and look very hard. You got to research multiple pages in the search results for YouTube, and you can find funny videos like this one, for example. You can download it and you can reuse it on your Facebook page. And as you can see, this one is 3 minutes long, but you can find videos, short videos, which you can re-edit into a compilation video, and you can use it on your Facebook page. That is basically what these guys actually did. They just used multiple videos from different people, and they created a compilation video that's over 3 minutes long, and then just simply that video just blew up with over 37 million views. Now, if you can't find enough videos under that Creative Commons category, you can just search for, just the regular search results by YouTube. But the thing you got to keep in mind is that if you're going to post a video from someone, you got to ask for permission first. So one of the things that I found in my time of growing Facebook pages is that if I want to post a video on my Facebook page and I want to ask for permission, I have more chances of getting that video and getting the permission to post that video if I have a large Facebook page. So if I have 20,000, 50,000 followers on my Facebook page that talks about pets, and I go to a YouTube channel that has 2,000 subscribers, and I tell them, hey, I want to post your videos or your video on my Facebook page with over 50,000 followers, and I'm going to give you credit. I'm actually going to post a link to your YouTube channel if you give me permission to use your video. Most people are going to say yes. Now, if you go after big channels that have 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, they're not going to say yes because they already have a following. So you want to go for small channels that have less than 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. And if you want to use one of their videos, make sure that you have a Facebook page with large numbers so you can go to them and say, I'm going to credit you. I'm going to post a link to your YouTube channel. I want to be able to use your video in a compilation, which I'm going to post on my Facebook page. And in the comment section, I'm going to put a link to your YouTube channel to give you credit. Most people are going to say yes. They're not going to mind because they're getting free exposure. So that's how you deal with regular YouTube channels and videos that you want to use that are not under the Creative Commons section. Now, if you just want to grab the videos from the Creative Commons section, that's fine. You can do that as well. You're not going to have any issues because that specific type of license allows you to reuse those videos. You can see that they have mostly videos being posted on the page with hundreds of thousands of views to that specific page. And if we go down, you can see there's another video with 18,000 views, and then another video with almost 10,000 views. And basically they're just doing compilation videos and just getting content from somewhere else. They're not creating their own content. So there's definitely the possibility for you to make money with Facebook videos using other people's content. And if you're able to monetize that content, just like this video that has 37 million views, this video could easily make $100 per day just with this video alone. Alright, so now that you know the method, now you know exactly how you can use other people's videos to make money using Facebook Audience Network, now it's the time to take action. If you already have a Facebook page, if you're watching this video and you already have a Facebook page with over 10,000 followers and you're not using video monetization yet, then this is the best time to get in because there's not a lot of people using it. The more popular it becomes, the more difficult it will be to actually make money because there's more people and more demand for advertisers. So you want to get in now, you want to get your page approved, and you want to be able to have a lot of videos that are approved for monetization on Facebook so you can make the most amount of money possible. After this, all you got to focus on is just continue to grow your page, get more followers, get more videos being posted on a daily basis. If possible, post at least one video per day. So that way it creates a snowball effect where basically you're making money every single day for videos that you posted 4 or 5 days ago, and that's going to keep adding up every single week. That's exactly what's been happening with my Facebook pages. I have a video that shows you how I've made over $1,000 my first month with video monetization on Facebook. And basically this is exactly what I did. I continued to post new videos every single day, making sure not every single video was actually approved, but I was able to get enough videos where every single video was making me at least $3, $4, $5 every single day, and that kept adding up and adding up as I posted more videos. So this is something that you got to do consistently. You got to do it daily if possible. You got to take the time to research the videos. If you can edit the videos and create compilations, then it's going to be even better because that's going to be a unique video that you can use. And if you can find unique videos that no one has actually watched before, you can buy them online, So I really do hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week with the intention of helping you guys make more money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.